finally blocked me. And I can't even reach him again. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do now?
Mom, are you okay?
Okay, kill you there, idiot. MMESOMA, what did I do to you? What did I ever do to you, MMESOMA? You are the cause of all these things. You! If you had heed to my instruction, all these things wouldn't have been happening. But no, you are a witch, MMESOMA. Evil child. I hate you. I hate you. I cursed the day you entered into my womb. I hate you, MMESOMA. Evil child. Witch. Evil child. That's who you are. I hate you. I hate you.
Wipe your tears away, this go better. Wipe your tears away.
My own mother says she hates me. What have I done wrong? What have I offended? Okay, what is going to be
Nena, you sounded somehow on the phone. What's the problem?
Ikenna, I miss my period.
You miss your period?
Yes.
So, how manage?
What kind of question is that? What do you mean by how manage?
Now, how manage did you miss your period?
Ikenna. Okay. If you are pretending as if you don't know exactly what I'm saying. I am pregnant.
Jesus Christ.
Guinea.
Well, that one is not a problem.
Huh?
So, who is the father of the child?
Excuse me? What do you mean?
I'm asking now because it cannot be me.
Guinea, what are you talking about? Were you not the one that said you don't want protection? Were you not the one?
I said so. But are you a small girl?
Huh? You didn't just say that. I refuse to believe you just said that now.
I've said my own. Better look for the father of this baby. Cannot be Ikenna now.
What is you?
Ikenna, just 2 minutes something. And you are pregnant.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
You look for the father of this baby.
Oh.
It cannot be Ikenna.
No,
Ike. So make room one and I got up and down.
But Ikenna, you were the one now.
I'm too young for this kind of thing.
Ikenna, what? Are you the one saying
this? Careful with me, oh.
Ikenna.
How come now? I'll manage. Did I know you?
Hey, Jesus. Ikenna, what are you saying?
Look for the father of the baby.
Ikenna! Jesus, I didn't know what I was thinking when I was dating that devil. Mama said it so. Mama said... Ay, Jesus, what do I do? Ikenna, because... Sha, my world has just collapsed.
Not yet. Please talk to me. Talk to me.
I'm pregnant. Again? Again, Noah. Again.
Who is responsible?
Ikenna, of course. Ikenna.
Have you talked to him about it?
I did. But he denied it.
Ikenna denied the pregnancy. Well, I'm not surprised. The last result is as usual.
I was just coming back from the clinic, and the chief consultant in the clinic told me that abortion is a no-no. That the only option I have now and the last is for me to have the baby. Can I have the baby?
Sorry, my friend. It's okay. It's okay. Please, stop crying.
I'm tired. What do I do now? What do I do now? What?
It's okay. Calm down, please. Stop crying, please.
You cannot deny this.
Please. No, I don't like seeing you cry. It's okay.
What do I do?
Now reality is done on you. That Ikenna is not only a stupid, useless boy, but a fluff. If you had listened to me from the onset, you would have got yourself into this mess.
I thought he loved me. I thought he meant well for me.
If you go near no, if you go never love one thing to bujeg. You see the kind of love he had for you. Look at it. I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. Look at where that landed you. You see I am.
Mama.
Hello, ma'am.
So what do I do?
Also?
Bikono.
What do you do? Were you expecting me to give you suggestion? The suggestion I've given to you says, but you refuse to listen. Or they're going late. Very, very late. Eh? You will carry the pregnancy to the full term. You will give birth to the child. Don't worry, you will carry it. Yes.
Mama.
You will carry it full time. Yes. I warned you. No, I warned you.
Mama, please now, help me. Is there anything I can do? Any other thing I can do?
I will help you. What I will do is to buy you baby pampers, a napkin, baby powder. If refer, milk here. Help. Problem. I become a laughing stock among other women. I don't want you now, so that you get a good husband. Lenia, caricature. Oh. Okay.
I don't want to have this baby.
You must say your fuck. I joke at when. Come back here. Come, because if I get you, I'll kill you. Come back here. I said, come here. If you make me to run after you, I will kill you this time. Come back here. Did I not tell you to watch that place? I hate you. Why did you die? Why would you die? Why would you die? It's yours. It's yours. Why didn't you wash that place at the backyard? Why didn't you wash it? Did I not tell you to wash it? It's yours. I don't even know. How did I even manage to have you? How did I even manage to have you? I hate you. I wish I would not set my eyes on you again. I hate you. It's just why did you wash the plate? You are not good for anything. You are just cursed. I hate you. Why did you even come into this life? Why? It's yours. Let me see you around me again. I'll squeeze the life out of you. It's yours.
Stop the blame, no. Stop the aggression, no. Cause whatever you do in this world has a price. Anything you do in this life has a price. If you do good, you will get the prize. If you do bad, surprise. If you do good, you will get the praise. If you do bad, you will get the prize. Nothing goes for nothing in this world. No smoke without fire. You better be more.
Nena will not came in this house, so Nena will not came here. Each time I will take this back and hand it up. She will go and bring it out. I don't need to know what she's doing. Nena, when you're going to just say, I don't know about that. Stop. What did you do? Oh, now take it again. Leave this back for me here. Leave this back for me here. Who I am from London? I have prayer jail. January 1, you know. Oh, look what the mark. Abo. Mama. Come. Why are you like this? How can what happened? Huh? Meso, you saw nothing? Is this Chinenye? Meso, what is all this? Why all these bruises on your body? Eh?
Mama beats me.
Your mother beat you?
Yes.
What have you done this time around? Get him.
I did not do anything, Mama. She just beat me.
You didn't do anything. Your mother started beating you, just like that. Eh?
Mama.
Hi! Look at your body. Eh? I will go, Nena, let her take it easy on this girl. She will wonder how. Look at her body, bruises. I have this, I bought it for you. Eh? I bought it for you. Oh?
Thank you, Mama.
Where is your mother? Where is she?
She's cooking.
She's cooking. It's okay, stop crying, oh? Stop crying. Stop crying, eh? And stop doing that thing that is making your mother to beat you. Look at your body. You want her to enjoy you. Your mother will joy. You want joy at all. Stop making her to hit you anyhow. Oh, mom, you know, be a good girl. Bia. Nena! 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 Nena, Mama. Mama again. Nena. What did Meso do this time around? Eh? What did she do to you? Oh, so she has reported to you. She did report me. She did, Mama. She did. If not, how would you have known in your absence? Is it because I'm using glasses? I'm seeing clearly. Eh? I saw all the bruises on her body. What did she do to you? And then you want to kill her? I wish I can kill her. I wish I can, Mama. That girl has deprived me of a lot of things. She has caused misfortune in my life. What is all this? Nena, that girl was where she is with the angel. Communion. You went and brought her. That girl cost you nothing. You on yourself went and brought her where she was with the angels. Nena. In fact, it is all your fault because if you had avoided that, useless boy, this wouldn't have happened. No, I'm not surprised. I know you will blame me at the end of the day for a mistake I made over 10 years ago. I know you will blame me, but there's no problem. But you see that girl, it's either she leaves this house or I will kill her with my bare hands, Mama. Yes. Yes. You lie. Nena, you know the consequences. I came with the consequences. I don't care, Mama. I don't care. It's either she lives or she dies in my hands. If I look for her this year, I will tell Umona that you know. Tell them. I don't care. Yes, I will tell them. What has come over you? Eh? Why are you blaming an innocent girl for bringing her into this world? Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone. When you were busy opening your leg, I was telling you. Stop touching me. Stop touching it.
What is he doing there?
I don't know if you're
What
looking
is
for
he doing there, Mama?
there. Stop touching it.
What is he doing there?
Stop touching
I
it.
will touch it. I will touch it.
Okay. I was going to stop touching it. What kind of nonsense is this? Eh?
Always
when you were busy following that useless go for nothing boy.
Hey, keep on insulting me now. Keep on insulting me.
I said it.
Keep on insulting me. But I've said it. It's either she lives or she dies in my hands. Damn the consequences, Mama. You think I'm afraid? I don't care. I'm not afraid of anybody.
Villagers will hear.
I am not afraid.
They will hear it.
Oh, yeah, carry her now. Take her.
They will
Take
hear
her
it.
with you. She's a cost child. Take her.
She's
Take
not
her.
cursed.
She's always reporting me at my back.
She's
I will
not
deal
cursed.
with her. I will teach her a lesson she will never forget. You will see it. You will see it, Mama.
If you touch this girl, I will die for you.
No,
I will die for you. Leave my grandchild
if you
alone.
die, you want to die, you go.
Leave my grandchild
If you
alone.
die, that means that's your time. You go. I don't care. I don't care.
Nana, come back, go Ejo. You better work again. Nana, come back. Nana,
how you are insulting me, Mama. See how you are insulting me.
If you go near,
you are insulting me and you are expecting me to treat her right. I will not treat her right.
Have you seen
I will not treat her right. Nonsense.
Nonsense. If you touch that girl again, it's over.
No, Mama. Let me see what you can do, Mama. Mama, enter house. Enter house. Before you jump down, enter house. Enter house. After all, you are no more strong. Enter house. Nonsense. Nonsense. Enter house. See how you are covering up for her. Covering up for all her evil deeds. God child. A witch. Witch that entered into this family. And you are covering up for her. You expect me to treat her right. I will never treat her right. Hey, Yabuno. Yes, I don't care. Nonsense. Bia. Where did you get that stupid biscuit you are eating? Shut up! Shut up! You stole my money, isn't it? Oh, you stole my money to buy that stupid biscuit you are eating. And by the way, so it has gotten to the extent of reporting me to Grandma. Hey, you reported me to Grandma, right?
No,
Shut up, smelly pig! Idiot! Let me see. For the fact that you stole my money to buy that nonsense, I will make sure you don't eat in this house. I will make sure you don't eat, even to drink water. I will make sure you don't drink water in this house. It's yours. Useless thing. Smelly pig. Smelly pig. How did you even enter into this world? How did you enter into this world in the first place? What are you even doing around me? Wicked cursed child. You are cursed. I cursed the day I set my eyes on you. It's yours. You will not eat.
She's a moving train. Nobody can stop.
I'll get you. I'll get you. Come and eat. Let me see. Come and eat. I will make sure you not even water. Water will never cross your mouth. Talk more of food. Useless thing. Very hungry. Eat your smelly pig.
Stop the blame now. Stop the aggression. Cause whatever you do in this world has a price. Anything you do in this life has a price. If you do good, you will get the prize. If you do bad, you will get the prize.
Me?
No, not you.
Nothing goes for nothing in this world. No smoke.
Don't worry, okay? I don't bite.
You better be more.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Can we have a conversation, please?
If you don't mind. Yeah, it's okay.
All right, please hop into the car, okay?
Inside the car?
Sure, you're okay. Please just hop in, okay?
Okay.
All right. Sorry, let me help you.
me. And he wants to marry me.
What? So soon?
Do you know, I thought he was joking until he said he wants to come to my house tomorrow to meet my mother so that we can start processing the marriage things.
Wow! I'm so happy for you, my friend!
I'm happy for myself. Thank you.
Congratulations in advance.
Thank you.
Oh, he's looking cute.
That's the kind of man I love. Not just liking, I
rich.
love. I'm already in love.
I can't see that.
Wait. I can't wait.
Wow, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. I hope that idiot will not show up her ugly face.
Please, not again.
Please be happy for me. Thank you.
I'm so happy.
Oh my God. You'll be in the house tomorrow, will you?
Yes.
Mama, talk to you about something.
I'm all ears on one. Again, what is it?
Why does my mother hate me?
Don't say it like that again. Your own mother hates you. Your mother does not hate you at all. She does not hate you.
Does Grandma. That is why she keeps beating me all the time.
Oh, Amaka beating. Don't worry, my daughter. Your mother does not hate you. The only thing that is playing out there is what the Oyibo people used to call transfer aggression.
What is transfer of aggression?
Hi. I will explain it later. Oh? Akwa mgbe njere dictionary njeje mara ka esi mara ihe ọ bụ na ọkwa Igbo ka nnụrụ asụrụ ya nwa take this. Hey, meme. Don't reason like that again. Oh, mommy does not hate you. That's my good granddaughter.
The orange is sweet.
Thank you. Enjoy it.
Come close. Listen, watch over this food. Under no circumstance should you come out there. Okay. Did you hear me?
Yes, Mom.
Let me repeat myself. I said under no circumstance should you carry your two legs out there.
Okay, Mom.
Hold your ears. You did not hear me. Hold your ears, the two ears. Very well. Draw it out. Dowa. Get it. I will help you. Draw it out. Good. Hold it. I said, I do not want to see you outside there. Did you hear me?
Yes, Mom.
No matter what is happening, I will be the one to come by myself to check on the food, not you. I don't want to see you out there. I do not want to see you. Yes, did you hear me?
Yes,
Understood?
Mom. Yes, Ma.
Understood?
Yes, Mom.
Yes, Mom. First the food.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you, you too. You look good. I hope you didn't find it difficult locating here.
No. I just followed the description you gave to me.
I'm so excited to have you. Let's go inside.
No. We can just stay outside now. It's fine.
Are you sure you don't want to go inside?
No, it's fine.
Let's sit over here.
Okay.
Thank you. I hope you can manage here.
No, it's fine. I'm okay.
All right, thank you. Wow, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm really delighted to meet you again.
Yeah, thank you so much. So what can I offer you?
I'm fine, okay? Just offer me yourself.
No,
That's
I
okay
insist.
for me.
But I'm already here with you, so...
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'm just happy to see you. Huh?
Okay.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you. Oh, but you already have my attention, so...
I know, I'm okay.
No, I still insist I want to have this son. You don't mind?
I'm okay.
Mom.
I'm fine.
The food is burning.
And so?
The food is burning.
Did I not warn you not to come out here?
The food is...
Will you get out? Get inside. Stupid girl. I'm really sorry about that, please. Just don't mind the distraction. So, what do I still offer you? Or should I put food for you?
No, I'm fine. I think she said the food is burning. Why don't you go and check on it?
Forget about the food, please. I just want to have a nice time with you.
But I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. I'm here for you, okay? You have all the time with me. Just go and check what the young girl is saying, okay?
I would have loved to stay here.
I'm always here for you, okay?
All right.
Yeah, I'm not running away, okay?
Okay, if you insist, I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right.
Wait. Did she just called you, Mom?
Never mind. Just don't worry about that. I'll be right back.
If you do good, you will get the prize. If you do bad, you will get the prize. Nothing goes for nothing in this world. No smoke without fire.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you moments ago?
So I should not come out to the compound.
That is not just all that I said to you. Say it exactly the way I said it.
Cannot remember.
Cannot remember. That is why you are very stupid and foolish. That is why you are very useless. Did they send you to torment me? Did they send you to cause me pain? You are still looking at me. Come here. Just tell yourself and come here. What did I ever do to you? I don't know if I should kill you. I don't know if I should kill you. Did I send you to kill me? Did I send you to kill me? Idiot! What did I ever do to you? What? I told you not to come out to the compound. Did I not say it? I told you even if somebody's died, Ozuana, do not show that you're ugly. Why did you come? Why did you come? The food! Can't you bring it down? Heavy! I'm really sorry. I hope I didn't keep you waiting for too long.
No. It's alright.
Okay. So, can I serve you the food now?
No, I heard that little girl just called you Mom. I'm confused right now, seriously. Is she your daughter?
Why all these questions now? Okay. Yes.
Now I understand, but were you married before?
No. My ex got me pregnant and left. Is there any problem?
No problem at all. The reason I'm asking is because I want to get married to you. And I want to know everything about you. And also, my elder brother had a similar experience as this. So, that's why.
Okay. Okay, can I serve your food now?
No, I don't think. I have to leave now, please.
Just like that?
Yeah, I have to take care of some business, so I have to hurry up.
All of a sudden you want to take care of business.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll see you some other time, okay? Just take care of yourself.
If you do bad, you will get the prize. Nothing goes for nothing in this world. No smoke without fire. You better be more than nothing. You better show love. Not a hatred.
called me.
Yes, sit. You beat her again. Why?
Mama, that girl is bad luck. Yes, she is evil that shouldn't have happened.
I told you I hate it when you refer her as evil. What is your problem?
MMESOMA is my problem, Mama. Yes. I think the best thing is for her to leave this house.
Impossible. Don't even go there. Yes. Don't go there.
Okay. For MMESOMA to have peace of mind in her life, she should leave this house. But if you insist she stays, I will make sure I frustrate the living hell out of her life, Mama. You know I can do it.
Can't just listen to yourself. No, just listen. Do you know that you're a cross? It will be more abunisi. Eh? No. Look at me very well. I enjoyed the shame you brought to me. The disgrace. All the gossip making around the village, I enjoyed them. Because of you. I just hold on my faith. Instead of you to accept the little girl that God bless you with faith, you are here talking rubbish. Let me tell you, in case you don't know. Instead of MMESOMA leaving my side, you should be the one leaving.
What did you just say?
Yes, get out of my house.
Mama, what did you just say?
Leave. You heard me well.
Oh, really? Oh, really? I knew it. That girl is a witch. I knew it. She's a witch. She has also bewitched my own mother. I knew it. MMESOMA is a witch. Anyway, since you insist she will stay in this house, I will frustrate her. I will make sure I frustrate her life. Witch. Hello? Hi. Wait, let me try again. Hello, Gulson. Wait. Hello? Hello? He ended the call on hearing my voice. No, something is not adding up here.
Is that why you're disturbed?
Hey.
Just calm down.
No. Something is wrong. Felicia, please, can I make use of your phone?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Hello. Hi. It's Nana. Hello? 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 He entered the call again.
You don't have to be disturbed.
Wipe your tears away, this go better. Wipe your tears away. Wipe your tears away, this go better. Wipe your tears away. Afufa funko kwa misi. Amara mi femerua.
I thought you've gone to school.
No, Mama.
Why?
My mother has not paid my school fees.
What? Why?
I don't know.
Where is she?
She's inside the house.
I'll be right back, okay? Going to his house uninvited will make you look desperate.
But that's the only option I have now. That's the only option.
You don't have to appear desperate before him.
But that's the fact. I am desperate.
Nana! Why haven't you paid MMESOMA's school fees? Why?
Mama, there's no paying school fees of a joy killer.
Who is a joy killer?
MMESOMA, of course.
Why would you call her a joy killer now?
But that's what she is. She's a joy killer.
I am not here for your rubbish talk. If you like, call her anything you want. Give me the money, let me go and pay myself.
I don't have any money.
Nana, Just tell me that you don't want to pay that girl school fees. You don't want to pay your school fees.
Good. I don't want to pay her school fees. Yes.
Oh, Nana, good. Good. I don't want to pay her school fees. Yes. Don't worry. I still have some of your service with me. School fees. Yes, I'll put her here and go and pay the school fees.
Mama, don't touch my money. Mama, don't touch my money. Don't touch my money on that witch.
I will put her there and go and pay the school fees. Your next word, Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Don't use my money on that girl. Don't use my money.
Come and drag.
Don't use my money on that witch. Joy killer. I will kill her. I will kill her. She's a witch. She's a witch.
Nah.
Leave me alone.
It was wrong calling her joy killer.
She is. That's exactly who she is. Joy killer. Can't you see? Anytime good thing will come my way, that idiot will block it.
But she's your daughter.
Forget that. She's a witch. She's not my daughter. I don't even know how I had her. She's a witch. Mama, don't use my money. Don't use my money. Hey! I don't... How do I even reach Augustine?
Hello, Mom. Yeah, I'm fine, Mom. Mom, I don't think I can do this anymore.
Why?
Mom, she has been hiding this from me. She has a child. I didn't even know. I only found out not too long and she didn't tell me herself. Huh? Yes, Mom, I'm serious. Like, I'm so disappointed. I'm so down. Huh? Mom, please just calm down, okay? Just give me some time, okay? There's still many beautiful girls there. I can't marry an after one. That's not nice, Mom. Yes, Mom. Yeah, I understand, but I can't, Mom. I know what I'm saying. The situation is out of hand right now. I just need to find somebody else. Okay, Mom. Where are you now, Mom?
I'll see you back.
Oh, okay. You're coming around soon, right? Alright, Mom, please. Don't stress yourself about anything, please, okay? I'll see somebody else, someone befitting, someone that won't lie to me. Alright, Mom. See you later, okay? Alright.
He finally blocked me. And I can't even reach him again. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do now?
Mom, are you okay?
Okay, kill you there, idiot. MMESOMA, what did I do to you? What did I ever do to you, MMESOMA? You are the cause of all these things. You! If you had heed to my instruction, all these things wouldn't have been happening. But no! You are a witch, MMESOMA. Evil child! I hate you! I hate you! I cursed the day you entered into my womb. I hate you, MMESOMA. Evil child! Witch! Evil child! That's who you are! I hate you! I hate you!
Wipe your tears away, this go better. Wipe your tears away.
My own mother says she hates me. What have I done wrong? Who have I offended? Okay, what is going to be well?
You know, it's been a very long time I saw a very beautiful woman like you.
Please, just stop. Just stop that.
Of course I mean it. You're very adorable and so beautiful.
Well, I take that as a compliment.
Yes. You see, the fact is that I just came back from the city in search of a very beautiful girl to marry and settle down with.
Wow.
And thank God I found me the perfect one.
Whoever that is must be very lucky.
Oh, yeah, indeed. She's very lucky.
So who is she?
Well, she is a very gorgeous, tall, beautiful lady standing right before me.
Excuse me? But you don't even know anything about me.
Yes, sir. Well, I guess you heard about something called love at first sight, right? You see, I would like to visit you tomorrow, so from there we can pick things up.
Okay. It's all right by me.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm glad. I'm so happy to meet you today.
Thank you. Okay.
All right, I'll see you.
All right. Okay, bye. From the way he's sounding, he wants to marry me. Hey!
Or is he aware you have a daughter?
No.
Are you going to tell him yourself?
No? How can I say such a thing?
So how are you going to handle it?
Don't worry about that. Tomorrow I will send the MMESOMA away on time. Maybe in the evening time she can return. In that way nobody will know anything.
Nena, you have to tell Ifeanyi that you have a daughter before getting married to him.
No, I can't say. See, don't worry about me. When we get to that bridge, we'll find a way to cross it.
Are you sure about it?
Yes. You know what I can do. Don't worry.
It's all right if you say so.
I'm so happy for myself. Come on, let's go inside.
I just...
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yes, sir. Is your sister in?
You mean my mother?
Your mother?
Yes, I only live here with my mother and my grandma.
All right. Is your mother in?
Yes, she's inside.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, hi, dear. Hi. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Come on, let's go inside.
Before that, the little girl that just walked outside this compound now, is she your daughter?
Yes.
Wow. So you have a daughter that grown and you never bothered to tell me about her?
Please, it's nothing to worry about. Besides, I was about going to tell you today.
Well, I don't think you were about to tell me, if not that I discovered it myself.
I was about going to tell you. I mean, it's nothing to worry about. Come on, let's go inside.
Sorry, I think I need to leave now, okay?
Just like that? Is that how you behave? You are just coming in, all of a sudden you want to leave.
I don't get it. Are you shouting at me?
I am not shouting at you. It is called mood swing. If you want to leave, goodbye. You can go.
I think you have anger problems.
I don't have any anger problems. I said it's called mood swings. You can go. You want to leave? Leave. Go now.
It's alright. I'll see you some other time.
Come back here. You want to run? You want to run? Oh yeah, come here. Come here. Just carry yourself and come here. MMESOMA, what did I do to you? Eh? Good afternoon. Kill you there. Which? Can you hear Maggie?
Nothing.
Nothing. You don't know what to... Come back. MMESOMA, come back here. MMESOMA. Okay, run. No, run.
You better sleep wherever you're going, because if you come back to this house, you're a dead meat. You know what I can do to you? You're a dead meat. Witch. Awosu. Ekwensu owa. Osochiebu. Ekwensu. Ajomwa. Idiot. Wicked witch. Wicked demon. Evil demon. Idiot. I don't even know how you end. How did you even come into this world? How did you come? How did you come with MMESOMA? MMESOMA will kill you! I will kill you! I hate you!
If you do good, you will get the prize. If you do bad, you will get the prize. Nothing goes for nothing in this world.
Nena, it's okay. Stop crying, please. Maybe none of these men are yours.
No, I disagree. One of them is surely mine. It's just that MMESOMA have decided to show me wickedness. God will never forgive that little witch.
MMESOMA has absolutely nothing to do with this. So don't rub it on her.
No, Felicia. The way she always shows up her ugly face each time any man wants to ask for my hand in marriage, it's what I don't understand. I don't even know what she's trying to achieve in all that. Why would she always show her face? Why would she always come out?
It's okay. Stop crying. None of these men are yours. You should blame them for not being men enough to turn up to what they want.
Oh God.
Is it a crime to be a single mother? The answer is no. So don't blame MMESOMA for all this. Leave this poor girl alone.
Oh God. God, why me? Why am I suffering like this? Why am I suffering like this? Why is MMESOMA doing this? Why is she being a pain in my life?
Nena, it's okay. Stop crying, please. The God that gives husband will definitely bring your own man. A man that will love and cherish you. He wouldn't mind if you're a single mother or not. Just believe that. Okay? Please, calm down. Sorry. Stop crying. Please. Stop crying. It's okay.
God will punish MMESOMA. God will punish her. That little witch. MMESOMA, you will suffer.
It's okay.
You will suffer.
It's okay. Stop crying. Please.
Chelsea 2-0. Hey, over 2.5. Hi. They are when they cook at 15 million with Buena. Okay. There's hope. Okay. Arsenal 1-0.5. Hi. 8,000. Give him 8,000 women. What? You can't get another option.
Take.
What is this?
I'm sure you can read.
I am sure you can read what is there and read it out to me.
I can see you are ready for your endless argument. But you know what? I don't have your time. This is the list of the things I need. Top of that list is 250,000 naira human hair.
Woman, hair of 250,000. This is a joke. I know you are joking. But let me tell you, if this is a joke, it's a bit early for this kind of jokes this morning. And I know.
What makes you think I'm joking? I have never been serious all my life. I'm not joking.
So, if you are not joking, then it must mean you are serious. And if you are serious, it can only mean one thing. That you are mad.
Huh? It is you who is mad. You, useless old man. Useless old man. Why don't you come up and let them know how broke and poor you are? So that your kinsmen will rally around and help you. And you're sitting down here claiming chief. By the way, how did you even become a chief? How?
So let me understand this. So because I refuse to give you my hard-earned money to buy useless hair of 250,000, that is why you have the temerity to insult me.
And I will continue to insult you until you get up and be responsible for once. Be responsible.
This is not what I bargained for.
As if I bargained for you.
No, this is not what I bargained for. Because if not that you put something inside my food, I would have left you inside to become a grandmother inside your mother's house. Your mother that was rejoicing when you were leaving. How many men rejected you before I had pity on you and picked you up?
Go and make money.
I will not make for you to spend on this useless hair. I will not do it.
Make that money.
I will not make it.
Be responsible for once in your life.
Look at you.
Chief, go and make money on you, baby. Go and make money.
I will not make that money.
You will make that money.
I will not make that money.
Oh yeah, now I am ready for you in this house.
Okay.
You must provide that 250,000 naira hair. You will provide it.
I will not do it.
And you will not do this. You will not do this rubbish.
Look, it's this thing that will feed you.
And what can you do? What can you do?
What can I do?
Yes.
If you touch this thing,
yes, I will touch it. I will touch
it now. Because I don't touch you.
I am ready for you.
You are ready for me?
I am ready for you in this house. Useless man, stop hiding under the shadow of chief.
Until
go and make money, oh broke chief. Broke chief, oh go and make money. You are poor.
Are you a woman?
You are poor.
Are you a woman?
I gave you 2 beautiful daughters.
Which daughters?
Oh yes, I gave you 2 beautiful.
The daughters that you are spoiled that cannot even pass jam for
like
even one day.
Like father, like daughter.
Of what use are those children?
What have you done?
No,
like daughters.
Have they gone to school? Have they gone to
like father?
You
Sit down when you baby.
I was educated. Are you educated?
Educated.
Are you educated?
You still stop pool. Oh, you educated. Go and make money. Give me. I will not let you.
Oh yeah
now. I am ready for you.
I come back now.
Oh yeah, let's start. What you believe in? What? You must give me that money. You see that hair? That human hair. You must pay for it. Go and make that money and give it to me. Only believe it. Useless man. Be responsible for what? I have told you to open up. Open up to your kinsmen. They will help you. I'm ready for you. They will help you. You are a wizard, your body they hurt.
If you touch this thing again,
I will touch it again.
Try it.
Is it right?
Is it right?
Give it to me.
Why is my food not served yet? Nana! Nana! Nana!
When you shout my name like that.
How long will it take you to serve this food? Don't you know I'm hungry?
Huh? Hey. If anyone hears you complaining, they will think you contributed in making of the food.
Take a metal gong and announce to the whole community that I did not contribute to your food. No, go ahead. Dim nanom. Nonsense. Don't know. Well, how am I going to wash my hands now?
What is it? Why are you complaining?
Because we take her come There's no meat inside the soup. Nana! Nana!
What is it? Why are you shouting? Why are you complaining?
Why is there no meat inside this soup?
There's no meat.
I have moved my hand down. There's no obstruction here.
Yes.
Why is there no meat inside this soup?
There is no meat for husbands that cannot provide money for the feeding of the family. That's why.
If this is a joke, better stop it. How can you serve a whole chief? I can't put you on one. Food without meat. Okay.
Chief, I get with your mom. Well, if you don't want to eat the food,
I am not touching this food.
Please don't eat.
I am not touching this food.
No, leave it.
I'm not joking, no. You will be judged, this woman. You see, you will be judged. God will never forgive you for this atrocity. A whole titled man. You serve me without meat. If I don't eat this food now, they will calm down also. It's okay. I'll buy drink.
What is it again? He's your stupid father. Hey. He can't just stop being stupid.
Our father is not stupid though. Mommy, please take back that statement.
I will not. He's a very, very, very stupid man.
Mommy, what did you do this time? What did you do?
Can you imagine that useless man asking me to put meat in the soup I prepared for him? As if he gave me money to make the food. Did he give me any money?
But I thought he gave you money to cook.
No, he did not.
But Mom, even at that, he's your husband.
Yes, husband, the wak-wako. Husband, the wak-wako. Husband, don't choke.
Hey! Go forbid.
Mom! Cursed man, he's cursed.
Mom! Go forbid. Mommy, please.
See, if your father refused to behave himself in this house, I will change it for him. And I'm sure you guys know what I can do.
Mom.
I will change it for him in this house.
Calm down, calm down.
Excuse me.
Many cells no born, no. Many cells no born. I'm just so tired.
If you do good, you will get the prize. If you do bad, you will get the prize. Nothing goes for nothing in this world. No smoke without fire.
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do?
Mommy, good evening.
The question is, what are you trying to do here?
Mommy, I want to warm the food. It's very cold.
You want to warm your food? Warming, kill you there. How dare you waste my gas?
Mommy, the food is cold.
Well, did you buy me any gas? Idiot! Mommy! Idiot, stupid girl. You want to eat food? Eat food! Thank God it's on the floor. So enjoy your hunger, stupid idiot. You have the audacity to touch my gas. Did you buy anyone? Do you contribute to this house? Eat it. Idiot. By the time I come back again, just if I see this mess on the floor, I will use your head and wipe the whole floor. Idiot. Let me meet it here. I'll be right back.
Stop the blame, stop the aggression. Cause whatever you do in this world,
we are going to come here. Oh God. We get him now. And I did broke. One night I don't come here as I did like this. I don't get money.
Guy, me too. I did broke too. The worst part we say, I want your pork meat.
Pork meat.
That woman side.
That woman pork meat here. Mommy, why are you here? I'm going to be one.
What we go do now? How far? You don't check everywhere.
Nothing day. You know what? Can you man mama you do believe go that side by that way?
My God, no man. Boy, I'm not come and meet. Hey, bad girl.
stop the blame, stop the aggression. aggression. Cause whatever you do in this world has a price. Anything you do in this life has a price. If you do good, you will get the prize. If you do bad, you will get the prize. Nothing goes for nothing in this world. No smoke without fire. You better be murderer, not a murderer. You better show love, not a hatred.
Omo, life is indeed beautiful. Life is beautiful.
You can say that again, my sister.
I wish you can be enjoying like this every day.
And who says we can't?
Ha!
See, make I tell you. As long as say, money there, we gotta enjoy. So no worry. Now to plan well, invest, reason. It's over.
Abi,
I'll go. See where I go.
play me that tape first. What can I use
Calm down, no be now. Libe friend, send me treat.
It's too sweet.
I tell you, say this woman sabi cook.
It's too bad.
The good life. Woo! Well, woo! I be am ni fede ya o.
Dey feel am, Abi?
I dey feel am now, joy. Oh. Woo! Who say money no good?
Oh, we fatty and I'm Maya. Something is inside this drink.
Order.
Get out! Get out! What are you looking at? Continue with what you are doing. Where's the money I kept here?
Money?
My head. Where is the money I kept here?
Mommy, I didn't see any money there.
Oh, the money grew wings and flew away, isn't it? Where's the money I kept here? You think I'm joking?
Mommy, I didn't see any money.
Where's the money I kept here?
Money there.
You think I'm joking?
Mommy, I didn't see any money.
Look at this. Where's the money I kept here? Here. Where's the money I kept here? You're not answering me.
I didn't see any money.
You didn't see anyone. What were you doing here?
I was cleaning.
Idiot! You think I'm joking with you? If you don't find the money I kept here, I will kill you in this house. Trust me. I will kill you. Stupid idiot. Get up from there. Get up! Behaving like a snake. I don't blame you. You think you are my heart. Where's the money I kept there? You didn't see any money. You didn't see any money. Let me tell you, by the time I finish with you in this house, by the time I deal with you, you will get that money. Idiot. Hey! Anyway, I'm coming back. Enyi, did you see the money I kept beside the TV stand?
Woman, when did I become your bank that you now start asking me about money?
That is not the question. Did you see the money I kept beside the TV stand?
Yes, question. The question is, why are you asking me that stupid question? That is the question. Do I look to you like a thief?
Swear you have not stolen my money in this house before. Yes, swear. But deny it. Deny it, let me hear.
You know what?
Are you not partially a thief? Where do you think What do you think I'm going? Look at him. Look at him, walk out, Google. Let me tell you something. If I later find out that you are the one who is with that money, you know what I can do. This house will not contain the...
Woman.
I will show you. I will show you.
If it wasn't that my Nagwenyi was not able to stand up thanks to you, I would have replaced you with another woman by now. Now get out of my way, useless woman.
Look at you, he's calling me useless. Is this still working? Between the two of us, who is useless? I can well read Balum. You are, see, of all the men I have known in my life, you are the most useless of them all. The most stupidest, the most foolish. That's who you are.
Ah! Word, hear me. Never marry out of pity.
Ha! What fool?
They will turn around and spit in your face. Leno Hanono. Look at you. I should have let you rot in your father's house with your baggage.
Both of us are in this together. The same way you married me.
Of
yes!
What use are you to me? No use you are to me. This is now my wife. I have replaced you.
You are nothing but an idiot. Useless! Get away from here, you! Useless shit! Look at him! That is all you are doing that! Sitting down and drinking beer! Look at them! Of all the men I know in my life, you are the most stupid, the most useless! Useless one! Useless one! Hey! Come and face me now! Come and face me!
My clothes are there too. Madam, she's asking you a question. Hope her clothes are there. Yes.
Thank God you both are here.
Mama.
Idiots.
Mama, you're not looking happy.
I'm not happy. See, I'm looking for my money. But I know both of you are not the thieves. I still need to ask you, did you see the money I kept under that TV stand? Did you see the money?
No, Mama.
Okay, you did not see it, eh?
No.
Have you seen it? Have you seen it? My daughters are not thieves like you. You're a thief. Okay? You're a thief. Listen, if I don't see that money, I will skin you alive in this house.
Wait, Mama. Did she say we stole the money?
Well, she did not say that, but her actions suggested it. Hey! This kid is Christ! Idiot. It's in Pataka.
But, Mama, have you asked Papa? Mama, ask Papa.
You know your dad is bigger than that. Is this thief? She is the only thief in my house. If I don't see that money today, I will skin you alive.
Oh yeah, hey, my friend, you go provide that money today.
I did not touch your money.
I want that money.
Stupid idiot. If I don't see that money, you will die. Take away from here, idiot. That be the money. That be the money. On your shit. On your one. Idiot. You are a thief. Idiot.
Mommy, please.
Get
Mommy,
out.
please don't do this to me.
Come on, get away from here.
Mommy, please. Mommy, please don't do that.
Idiot.
Mommy, please.
Come on, remove your hand.
Mommy, please don't do this to me.
I've already done it.
Mommy, please.
and idiot. You will remain here till daybreak. The rest of your life.
Mommy! Mommy!
If you don't, you will get the prize. Nothing goes for nothing in this world.
Mommy!
You better be mother, not a mother. You better show
Mommy!
love, not a hatred.
Emanuela! Chika! Mommy! Mommy!
Stop the blame, stop the aggression.
Emanuela!
Destiny
Chika!
is always.
Mommy, please open the door.
What is it? Why are you disturbing everybody?
Mommy, please open the door for me.
Grace is bigger and stronger.
I'm very cold.
Out! Out!
Mommy, please don't do this to me.
You are very cold.
It's very cold outside.
You brought this upon yourself.
Nobody can stop.
If you don't return that money, you will continue to sleep here under the cold.
Mommy, please. I didn't steal your money. I've never stolen from you.
Shut up! Liar! I know your type. You think you can deceive me? No! You can't deceive me at all. If you like, continue to lie. Don't have mercy on yourself until you return my money. Else, you will sleep here. You will continue to sleep here.
Mommy, please.
What?
Mommy, please. Mommy, please.
Remove your hand. I think I'm going No, you will remain there until you return my money.
Stop the blame now. Stop the aggression. Cause whatever you do in this world has a price. Anything you do in this life has a price. If you do good, you will get the prize. If you do bad, you will get the prize. Nothing goes for nothing in this world. No smoke without fire. You better be mother, not a murderer. You better show love, not a hatred. Stop the blame, stop the aggression. Destiny child is always a destiny child. Wonderful and fearfully made.
Oh, you have the guts to sleep here and even using my wrapper. You are not afraid. You have the guts to lie down to sleep. You close your eyes to sleep. If I don't get that money, I will make sure I squeeze the life out of you. I will make sure I squeeze the life out of you. Sleep. I will get you. Let me not find my money. Let me not sit down. Everyone will, in fact, start calling on God to save your life. If not, all hell will let loose. I will make sure I squeeze life out of that your stupid life. By the way, why are you living? Useless thing. Why are you still living? Won't you die? Die! Let me have peace. Die! Die! Idiot!
Anything you do in this life, if you do good, you will get the prize. If you do bad, you will get the prize. Nothing goes for nothing in this world. No smoke without fire. You better be more than nothing.
Mom, you did not go out today.
My dear, I decided to stay at home today to have some rest.
Oh, well, rest is good. You know you need rest.
Can say that again.
She needs it.
I seriously need it too.
That reminds me. Mommy, they have started selling jam foam.
Yes.
And we will be needing some money to purchase ours.
Yes.
Yes.
So, how much do you need?
You're looking at 15,000 each. That is 30K for both of us.
For your jam form?
Yes.
Okay. Don't worry. By tomorrow I'll give it.
Hey! Why? Look why! Oh, hey!
Don't worry. I need you people to take this jam and make me proud.
Thank you so much. You are the world best mother.
I just want to
go back.
Good afternoon, Mom.
What is this?
Mommy, I'm also interested in the jam. So, I want you to give me money so I can be able to purchase my own phone.
It's again. You need to go now.
Sure. You need what? You must be very stupid. Yes. Have you not heard that firstborn daughters do not go to school?
Oh!
Yes! What they do is to sit at home and work so that their younger ones will be able to go to school. And that's exactly what you will do. In the Jambabia.
And what even gave you the audacity?
Mommy, please, can you give me half of the money so I'll work and raise half?
Okay, now I hear because come on, get away from here.
Didn't you hear me before?
They are this girl. Oh my God, we're trying to jump by a digital girl.
Look at for meeting nonsense.
I told you, Mommy, you have been spoiling. You have been too lenient with her.
I have been.
The audacity.
I have been.
Hey, what got to Bujo? We just stay here talking about jam. She just jumped from nowhere.
What? Or what? Kanga one here. Who know that?
Ella babe, one right jam. She said one follow right. She dey craze.
Can you imagine?
Nah, that
well, Butu.
I able to go on She's too small to change our mood. We will leave her. Mama,
so, I want the best.
We are hailing you. Kai. Onye weliye kanenye dam. Iweliye kanenye dam. Iweliye kanenye dam. Iweliye kanenye dam. What is so much? Look why. I keep here. Mommy scoffed to Mommy scoffed at Malaya. Now you have one there. Hey, let's go. Male.
My children need money for their jam registration.
Give it to them. After all, they are your daughters.
What's the meaning of that? Is that a way of saying that you will not give them the money?
I don't have money.
Will you ever have money? Hey! The thing that made me to marry you is what I still do not understand till date.
Even me. What I do not understand is how I managed to marry a mad woman.
Me? A mad woman? If there's anybody who is mad here, it's certainly you. I don't blame you. You are calling a successful woman like me a mad woman.
It's so successful. Woman, I do not have your time.
Hey, you will have my time today. Because I have it. I have more than enough time with you.
Woman, get out of my...
No, I'm not going anywhere. You must have my time today because I have your time.
Okay, I'll give you my time. Come.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone, useless man. You're not ashamed of yourself. Are you ever good in anything? What good are you of me in this house? What good? Hey! Chineke! Why did I even marry a very useless man? What is all this? Why did I even marry you in the first place? Eh? Why did I marry you? After all, the so-called thing I married you for, it's not even working. Eh? It's not working. What am I even doing in this house? Useless idiot! I just hate you! Yeah. Chief, you must give me that money.
Now I'm finished. Reality is done on me, Chino. Kema bugo, wipe your tears away, this girl better. Wipe your tears away. Wipe your tears away, this girl better. Wipe your tears away.
What is it? Eh? I don't like the way you are shouting my name.
Where are my daughters?
They are at the backyard.
Did I not tell you that I was going to see the Onowu earlier on today?
You said so,
Guess what Onowu asked of me?
Please, I am not in the mood to guess.
Just guess, why?
I said I am not in the mood to guess. If you have anything meaningful to say, just go ahead and say it.
Why you not like Gansubu? Eh? Okay, need a quarrel. Anyway, I am a man of peace and I will remain a man of peace. Onowu asked about our beautiful daughters and I told him that not one of them is married yet. At which point he said that he will be coming with his son Darlington, who just came in from America.
Let me get this straight. It's Onowu. Does it mean Onowu and his son? No, wait. Is his son looking for a wife?
Bam! And our family came highly recommended.
Yes! Okay, so that means Onowu and his son are coming to our house today to marry one of my daughters.
Yes. They are merely coming here to confirm whether all the things they heard about our family.
Leave that to me.
Is correct.
Leave that to me.
So, if they confirm that and any one of our daughters catches their eye, he will marry her.
Oh, where they go do? They will catch. Leave that to me.
I'm warning you.
No, don't worry. Wait, you have nothing to worry about. Leave that to me. Let me talk to them.
Woman, where's my food?
Hey, your mama, Your food, come. Your food is inside the house. Come. Your mama will tell them. She cancelled.
Onowu himself. Onowu himself.
My good friend.
Hey. Thank you, Mama. Nalia.
My friend.
Wello.
No.
Is this Darlington? Welcome, young man. You're welcome.
Welcome.
Hey.
Welcome.
Biko, come inside.
Please,
You're very welcome.
Come inside.
Yum. Hey. Wow. Biko. Chai. No.
No, Darlington is going to choose me. Stop that. Stop. This is pipe blow. Comport yourself. See today, I'm not older sister. You know, go to my phone address. I them sharp. I go borrow this uniform.
So, guy, like this I'll go. Darlington get away now. No, not be like that now. Look at how you greet him. You walk up to him as an elegant woman. We don't do elegant.
Darlington get away.
Now, I don't know what you are saying here. I will be like, darling, right? Okay, what am I even saying? This brain side now, how from you? I will be like, forget all this. You will still choose me. That kind of thing now. No, you will choose me. Come on, stop it.
He sees me.
Choose you. I'm not
darling. Wait. It's time to greet our visitors. Come to call you too. Oh, behave yourself so. Right. I hope you are ready.
Yes,
you ready. Practice very well.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready, Manuela?
Always ready, mommy. Born ready, mommy. Born ready. Yes.
Darling.
Oh. Who am Darlington? No. Alright. No, my friend. You are welcome to my humble abode. Like I was telling.
We are here.
Yeah.
Here are my beautiful daughters. Oh no, you are welcome. Look at them.
Ella.
Mwah.
You're beautiful.
Wife to be. Achalugo.
Please don't mind her.
Hi.
My name is Chika.
Oh, Achalugo.
But you can call me.
Oh, you're
Chi.
Asampete mwa.
I am yours truly.
Wow.
Beautiful dancer.
An elegant.
Oh, yo.
Sexiest dancer.
Love you. Those are my beautiful daughters.
Welcome, sir.
What? Hey. Get out. My in-law, please, what would you like to take? What do you want to take?
Start will be fine.
Oh God! What would you like to take, please? Let me know.
Heineken would do.
Oh, Heineken, the best. Suzu, go and get them drinks. Go! Hey, Ogo, with you. Please don't mind me. Just don't mind that distraction, Oh, don't mind. Hey, that's how we live, Hey, it's nothing, it's joke. Hey, Mwama. Asan pete mwam. Oh, Achalugo. Any of them is okay for you. Any of them. Hey. Asa. Mwamoro na mma. Ogo, ngwano. We'll be back,
Yeah.
What do you want?
Okay.
Oh, yo.
My husband. My husband.
It's okay, take it easy,
I have some.
It's okay. Nabo, naga. Hey!
Oh no.
Who asked MMESOMA to show her ugly face here? I don't know. And that girl is fond of doing that nonsense. Aye. You know what? We have to beat that girl. Today will be her end in this house. So she will learn how to respect our boundaries. Of course, we will beat her. But she is definitely not going to be today. Why now? Make we beat them now as they hot. Let's wait for our visitors to leave. Then, I am going for cooking to okay me. That girl. It's fine. Has to be safe and come out.
My daughters, you both did well in the first phase of the introduction. Now, I'll be going back there and you will join me in 90 seconds.
Okay.
I will need you to mount all manner of pressure on Onowu's son because he must select one of you.
He's definitely going to be me. No. He is selecting me.
Wait. There is nothing to fight for. It doesn't matter who he selects. Let's just do what I told you to do and let's see what happens. Oh, I'm going back. 90 seconds, remember.
Okay, boy. is going to choose me. He must choose me. He must choose me.
Wait, pipe your down.
Pipe low. Pipe low. Pipe low. Watch your back. I will deal with you.
You have beautiful daughters, I must say, Chief.
Thank you, no. It will please me very much for us to be in-laws.
Okay, no problem. Let us see how to pan out.
You have drinks.
Thank you.
I thought he ordered for Heineken. Why life?
Sorry, Mom. Don't worry. I'll make
You see why you are stupid? Eh? Sure. What about Okuna?
I'm gonna go and get it too.
Hey!
Sit down.
Oh, please, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Let's not get to Okuna.
No, Mom, that will not be late for that. My tit is here.
Okay.
My tit can do the job.
Oh, my daughter. It's okay. Hey! Oh!
Here's the opener, sir.
My tit can do the job already.
Get inside. Get out.
Oh no, it's now that you're
sluggish thing. Thank you. Oh, What?
My baby!
I will join you. Please enjoy your drink.
Son?
Yes, Dad.
You have seen it all. So, what do you have to say?
Dad, I didn't see anything.
How do you mean you did not see anything?
Dad, those girls I saw over there do not look like girls who want to settle down with what they even displayed, except for the one who brought drinks for us.
I saw she's different. So, do you like her?
Well, from her disposition, one could say she's homely. She's one of a kind, if you ask me, Dad.
Then go for her.
Dad, not so fast. I need to think about it.
Well, the floor is wide enough for you to think about it.
It's alright, Dad. It's alright.
Life is so good.
Life is good, my sister. I go to me, I can't say what I be. Come on, you don't know one. Go away now. Wachalo. What are you, Melibia?
Now, what for you?
Who is that?
Hi, girls.
Hi, handsome.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Good. So what's happening?
This one came on announced. Like, we don't know they're coming around. Yes.
Yeah, I just came to check up on you girls.
Oh, that's nice of you. Yeah, welcome. Thank you. So, what did you carry come for us now? What did you bring for us?
Okay, I came with money. Right, guys. Let me give you guys something.
You count it. Rich people don't count.
It's alright. For the three of you.
Thank you. Bye, Thank you.
How are you?
Oh, bye-bye, sir. Bye.
Yeah, they're the real deal.
It's alright. I'll be on my way, okay?
So I do it together. For the three of us, right?
Yeah, three of you.
Okay, sir, and all this man go together. Sir, your shoe shy.
Alright, thank you.
You look very shy. My spare.
Why are you talking to him? Are you mad?
Who asked you to greet?
Can we go
First, we'll go there together. What's now?
This guy got together. The guy gonna shout. Hide this thing before mama see him. And they see the cover too. You, watch out. What's you greet? What's you greet? Yeah. Who asked? I'm lazy one more now. Lazy one more issue. Rubbish. Catching you all in something now. Omo. 100K. Wow. This guy is very, very rich. You can say that again, my sister. You get money. Hey, see now. I must do everything within my power to make sure he marries me, though. How? Blood, come on for dear. Potaba. Darlington is already married to me, in my mind. So, I don't want to drag him with you, because leave him, he's for me. He has already married me in my mind, body, soul, and spirit. Thank God you said mind. See, Chi, you can drag anything with me, but not Darlington, please. I'm not dragging him with you. I'm not dragging him. But all I'm saying is that very soon, Darlington will make me his wife. Then you rest. But for now, anyways, let's share the money first. How will we share them? What's the sharing ratio? We are doing it 40-40, yeah. You give me 40K, you take 40K, then we'll give Mama 20K. Yeah. The youngest is supposed to take 50K. What's it now again? Oga, cut this and I give my own money because see me youngest. Guy, you want cheat me, they remain 2K. How remaining 2K? It's not up to 40K. How does? See you talk. It's not up to 40K. Look, I just counted it, please. Oh yeah. See this small girls. Look at this girl. Like money a lot. Do you remember that I'm your senior? Eh? Have you seen where the junior ones overtake the... See, think your mind there. Oh yeah, come on, mama. Come on, mom. See this small thing. I share with that.
This thing?
Yeah.
How much did you say he gave you? How much did he give you, girls?
He gave us. He gave us.
How much?
100K.
Eh?
100K.
100,000 naira.
Yes, ma'am.
And you are giving me 20,000. Eh?
Mama.
See what we are going to do. You both will have to go in there and get the remaining money. So that we will share it in a proper way.
Excuse me.
Quite excused.
Mama, what is this proper way you're talking about? We already shared the money equally now.
As your mother and mentor, you know I'm your mentor. Go in there, bring the money. Give me 40,000 naira and you both can share 30,000 each. Because without me, you wouldn't have gotten another one. That is the proper way.
Mama, no. Now we demand give money now.
Yes, now he gave us out of our own church mind, out of our generosity. We said, let us come and give Mama this one. He came to see us and he gave us the money. We decided to just give you this one and keep the rest.
Nah. Would you have known him if not for my sake? Would you have known him? Would you have known him?
Mama, this is very unfair. This is very unfair.
This discussion has ended. Quickly go in there, get the money, Give me 40,000 naira, then both of you can share 30% each.
Mama, somebody...
Hey, start going. Go and get the money. Go and get the money. If not for your mother, you wouldn't have gotten any money in the first place, and you know that. What? Go.
Mama, don't use that. Don't use that. We'll go that folk woman joy.
May the Lord have mercy on you if you have spent all those money.
We don't chop that. We don't finish the money. The money don't take again.
Can you imagine? 20,000. They hold me 20,000. Come on, go and give me proper money. Oh.
Mom.
What is it?
Mom, I want us to talk.
Say whatever you want to say and get away from here.
Mom, I want to travel to the city to go and hustle for myself. From all indications, this village holds nothing for me.
Hey! Praise the Lord! Hey! Praise the Lord! Hallelujah! Hey! Beautiful. When do you want to leave?
Tomorrow.
No. You can even leave this evening. I'll help you pack your things.
I know you want me out of your life. And I will go.
Yes, forever.
Sometimes I ask myself, if truly you're my mother, with the way you're treating me, like it has left me with no option but to ask if truly you're my biological mother.
What did you just say?
You heard me right. I've gotten it up to here and I'm ready to leave this house.
You've gotten up to here so late. Huh? Should have been a long time ago.
Don't worry, I'll go.
Hey, you go. Go.
You won't see me again.
I don't want to see you. I don't want to see you. Ocho. I don't. Hey, thank God. I've been praying for this a long time ago. Thank you. Oh, Jesus, you love me too much. Too much. Excess love. Please hurry up. If you need help, you call me. Hey! Hi, in-laws. You are welcome. Hi, how is your father? No.
He's doing good.
We thank God. I can see you came to see my daughters.
Yes, ma.
Okay, which of them do you want to see?
Ma, the one that bought drinks for us that day.
I don't understand. You mean MMESOMA?
Yes, ma.
Just yesterday, MMESOMA ran off with one boy. One Yahoo boy.
What?
I tried my best to stop her. I tried, but she refused to listen to me. She even made mention of using her body to make money. Children of these days. Hey!
Don't do it. But she looks quite humble and responsible.
Because you want to be deceived. Why? Why would you allow yourself to be deceived, pretending to you that she's responsible? Huh? Anyway, that's by the way. I still have my other daughters. So which of them would you want to marry? Huh?
It's okay. I will come back.
It's okay. I don't understand what you mean by it's okay. I mean like Chika is there or Emanuela. Which of them do you want to marry?
I understand now, but like I said, I'll come back. I'll come back. I'll come back.
When exactly?
My father would inform you when I want to come.
No problem, but I will prefer you to inform me.
It's okay.
But please don't go back to America without informing me.
I won't. No problems.
If it's Chika you want, let me get her ready for you. If it's Emanuela, let me package her for you. Oh?
Hey, it's okay, ma. Like I said, I'll come back.
You wouldn't want anything?
No, I'm good.
Are you sure?
I'm good.
Maybe Manuela can bring it for you.
Don't worry, ma.
All right, no problem.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's all right.
All right, my regards to know who your father.
He will hear.
I'll be expecting you, don't forget.
No problem. Thank you.
Cast your mind away from the one that ran away with a boy. Please. I have home Wasam. Oh, my regards to know.
Better show love, not a hatred.
Is somebody here? Who is there?
The blade, stop the aggression.
Yes, how can I help you?
Good afternoon, ma. Ma, please, my name is MMESOMA.
So, how can I help you?
Ma, please, I need a job. Since I came to the city, I've not seen any work to do.
Are you sure you're not one of the runs girls roaming around the streets?
No, ma, I'm not. God forbid.
Alright, so if I give you a job, will you do it?
Yes, ma, I can do it. Anything you give me, I can. I can wash plates, anything, serve people. I can cook.
Alright, I'll see what I'll do.
Thank you, ma. So should I take this?
What did I do wrong in this world? Why this hatred on me? Am I the one that created myself in this world? Wipe your tears away, this go better. Wipe your tears away. Wipe your tears away, this go better. Wipe your tears away. Afufa funko kwa misi, amara mi femerua, amakota mazu. Afufa funko kwa misi, amara mi femerua, amakota mazu.
Mama, I'm hungry. There's no food in this house now. Why is there no food in this house?
What sort of stupid question is that?
Oh, Mama, mommy, I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Chika, why is your face like that?
Since there's no food in this house now, the whole of this house, there's no one pin of food, no food at all.
Your sister is very stupid. But I don't have her time now. Please, my daughter. Please, Biko, give her some money to make soup so that we can eat. Oh, please.
I don't like this, Mom. I'm the one feeding this family for how long now?
Biko, please, my daughter.
We tell you the money now. We tell you ego. Can't you go tell me?
Chika, shut up,
My bag is inside, but see, Chika, you need to get yourself a job, It's there every time you stay at home, chill. And I'll keep spending my hard money on you and Mama. I'm tired, though.
Did I hear you say get a job? At my age, how many of my mates are working? Why should I get a job? I'm not getting any job.
Shut up.
Of course, you need to get a job. I mean, times are hard now.
My daughters, please, it's okay. It's okay. Everything will soon be alright. We'll be gone.
Everything should better be alright, though, because me, I'm tired. Imagine, see now, I don't even have even a single pin in my savings box. I'm tired, though. You need to get a job, guy.
Oh, Biko.
Okay, go bring the money. Look, I go buy the job.
The last time they give money to this.
Chika, shut up, Okwano, shut up.
I'm not getting any job. Oh, why would you shut up?
Hey.
Bring the money now. Look at that also, maybe mad. Also, maybe now. Bring the money.
Cause whatever you do in this world has a price. Anything you do in this life has a price. If you do good, you will get the price. If you do bad, you will get the price.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Well, I do not mean to startle you. Well, the thing is, I'm not a man of too many words. I've practically been observing you at your workplace, and I actually know a lot about you, and I would just have to hit the nail on the head. Look, MMESOMA.
How did you know my name?
I actually asked around, and I got some, little bit of information about you. I hope you don't mind. Well, I love you, and I would want you to be my woman, and I promise you won't have anything to regret, and I'll definitely take good care of you.
I don't know what to say. But I'll think about it.
No, you can take all the time in the world to think about it. I am not rushing you. I'm just, stating my intentions and making it clear to you. All right?
Okay.
I must say you look stunning in this dress.
Thank you, sir.
So I can see you were rushing.
I'm coming back from work. I need to go home and rest.
Do you want me to drop you off?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't mind. I was actually a bit free. I could just drop you off anywhere closer to your destination.
No, thank you, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
All right then.
Okay.
So, can I just get your number? Maybe call you?
Maybe tomorrow. I'll come to work tomorrow.
All right then.
If you do bad, you will get the price. Nothing goes for nothing in this world. No smoke without fire. You better be murdered, not a murderer. You better show love, not a hatred.
Well, madam, I think your health is at the severe stage and it is no longer what drugs can take care of.
Doctor, what do we do? What do we do? Anything?
I suggest you take her to the city, a good hospital in the city, for proper medical attention.
Sorry. Sorry. Doctor, please. You know we don't have that money. All this while we've been relying on your drugs to keep her alive. Please, doctor. Anything else that you can do, I would really appreciate it. Please, I don't want my mother to die, doctor, please. Please, no. It's okay. It's okay.
Well, there is absolutely nothing I can do. We just need to look for money. Look for money so that I take her to the hospital.
We don't have money now. We don't have the money. Sorry.
Good.
There's not anything you can do. No, you're okay.
Manella, please. Please, hold on. Mama.
If it's money, I don't have. I don't have any money.
I need proper treatment. I need proper treatment.
Mama. Sorry. How fast now? Like how much did you need, Mama?
Maybe 10,000 naira. Maybe 10,000. Don't be more.
Mama.
Don't be more.
Madam, I need to be on my own.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
Be more.
Mama. What I have here is 7K. You just have to do it. I'll come buy the drugs now. Mama, you'll be fine.
I'm cool.
Emmanuel. Mama, stop this thing now. You're scaring me. Stop this thing. Mama. Okay.
If you do good, you will get the prize.
Emanuela.
If you do bad,
Emanuela. Chi. What do you want us to discuss here that we can't discuss inside? Chi, you know the walls have ears. That's why. When I talk, I'm listening. I want to move in with Uche. Yeah, I want to go and stay with him. You say wait. What did I just hear you say? I want to go there, stay with Uche now. I want to go and be living with him. But why? You know, this our relationship is ending towards marriage side. So I want to go and stay with him. I don't want to give him that chance to be with another lady. I want to be with him 247. I did with him. I don't want to see him with any other girl. You don't understand.
Emanuela, can you hear yourself? No, wait. Can you hear yourself? Sometimes I even wonder, are you really my sister?
Of course I am.
Why would they talk like that now? Right now, I don't understand you. I'm not understanding you at all.
See, I want to go and stay with him. So, like, I don't want to give him chance to be with any other girl. You understand? You know these guys. Since we are planning marriage, let me just go and stay with him.
Wow.
Okay? Let me stay with him. I don't want to stay with any other girl. You don't understand? 247, I one day with them. They give a bumper to bam, baby away in one time.
Blood. My blood. No say I no go lie give you. I no fit deceive you. I cannot lie. If you move in with this guy, 2 things are involved. 1, either see finish go dey enter on a relationship. Or 2, you go lose value for him eye. You will lose your value in his eyes. Why you want to do this? Why you want go moving with man? Why?
No. I promise you that. It's not going to get to that. No. I promise you. No. What are you saying? Trust me.
Have you told mom? No, have you told mom?
The truth be say, I want you to be the one to tell her. You understand? I don't want to tell her myself. By the time you will be telling her, I will be out. Yeah. Go tell her by yourself.
Hey! Madana.
Say happen. Now what for you?
What you do your mouth?
You know my G. Now what for you?
So, how are you, baby?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm okay. I'm doing good, as you can see.
Yeah.
You said you wanted to see me. What's the problem?
Yes. I want to travel to the village to see my mom.
Is there a problem?
I don't know. You know, I've not spoken with her since I left the village, so I just need to go and see her.
Do you want me to go with you?
No, don't worry. I can manage.
Or would you like to go with one of my cars?
No, you know I'm not perfect in driving yet, so I'll take a cab.
So, how much do you need?
I don't know. Any amount you give me, I'll take.
Alright, I would send you 300k right away. That would be enough.
Yes, more than enough. Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Destiny child is always a destiny child. Wonderful and fearfully made. Her grace is bigger and stronger.
Let's go. Check it.
Than any other.
Oh, baby, thank you.
It's okay. It's nothing.
Thank you.
Just have a safe trip to the village, okay? Alright? I'll see you when you return. Okay? Bye.
Stop the blame now. Stop the aggression now. Cause whatever you do in this world has a price. Anything you do in this life has a price. If you do good, you will get the prize. If you do bad, you will get the prize. Nothing goes for nothing in this world. No smoke without fire. You better be murdered, not a murderer. You better show love, not a hatred. Never stop the aggression.
Hey.
Stop the blame, stop the aggression. Cause whatever you do in this world has a price. Anything you do in this life has a price. If you do good, you will get the prize. If you do bad, you will get the prize. Nothing goes for nothing in this world. No smoke without fire. You better be.
Don't know, but I'll be back soon. This is my daughter. Please don't stay too long, eh? Please, oh. No, I don't have strength to take care of myself as I used to. Biko, please hurry up, oh. Don't stay long, Biko.
Stop the blame. Stop the
Mama, how are you?
You can see I'm fine.
Mama, you're not fine.
Me, I'm not hiding those. MMESOMA, she's not feeling well. She has not been feeling well for a long time now.
Chika, shut up.
She needs urgent medication, please. We need to take her to the hospital.
I will never accept her help. Not when I'm alive.
I don't know why you're hiding it though. You're so boy or you're butchega now.
Mama, here. Use it and treat yourself.
I don't need your money.
Mama, please take the money. You need it.
I said I am fine. I don't need your money.
Mama, we need this money. There's no food in this house, oh. Collect this money now.
I need to go now.
MMESOMA, let me see you.
If you do good, you will get the praise. If you do bad, you will get the prize. Nothing goes for nothing in this world. No smoke without fire.
So how did it go?
Fine. But my mom is sick.
What is wrong with her?
I don't know. But my stepsister said she has been coughing for a long time.
Well, that means she needs proper medical attention.
That's what the doctor told her. But she doesn't need any help from me.
But why?
My mom hates me. I've tried my best to know why she hates me this much. All to no avail.
Well, babe, it's okay. How about we just go to your place and I'll see if I can talk to her.
I don't know if she will listen.
Don't worry, she will listen to me, okay?
I hope so.
It's okay, it's okay. Come on, cheer up, alright? It's okay. I'll talk to her, I promise.
This world, no smoke without fire. You better be more than not just no level. You better show love.
I hope you collected the money. Let me have it.
Eh?
Let me have it. I hope you also collected her phone number.
Here's the money.
Did you collect her phone number?
I didn't collect her. You said you don't need her help now.
Hey, you are very stupid. Very stupid.
So, sorry. How do we reach her if we need another financial help? How do we reach her? Eh?
But you just told her right now that you will never accept her help in your life.
You're stupid. I need water. Water. Give me water.
Relax, let me get water. I'm coming now.
Aye. Give me water.
If you do good, you will get the prize. If you do bad, you will get the prize. Nothing goes for nothing in this world. No smoke without fire.
Chika,
you better be mother.
I see her condition is getting worse by the day.
Mama, we need to take you to the hospital.
Why?
I am well. My daughter, go back to wherever you're coming from.
Mama, it's obvious you need help. Please, allow us help you. Please.
Mama, please let's take you to the hospital. You really need medical attention, please.
Mama, listen to me. Enough is enough. Please. No, please. MMESOMA is your biological daughter. Mama, stop all this now. It's okay. Let go of that grudges and hatred that you have. It's okay.
Even if it means us taking you abroad for proper medical checkup and attention, we will do that. You need to understand that MMESOMA means well for you. She's your daughter. She can't have any other thing in mind except to, do things that will favor you. Please, accept her.
Mommy, it's okay.
I don't deserve you. I don't deserve you, MMESOMA. I don't deserve you. I don't. I've done a lot of things to you. I don't deserve you. I don't deserve you. Oh no, I don't deserve you.
It's okay.
You forgive me.
Mommy, I forgive you a long time ago. Help me, MMESOMA.
I know I don't deserve you.
Mama.
It's okay, Mama. I hold no grudges against you.
Please, I'm sorry I was mean to you. I'm sorry.
MMESOMA. MMESOMA.
MMESOMA.
Hey, stop posting for free. Your videos are worth millions. That's right. Every view, every like, every share on your videos should pay you. At Forever MC, Africa's #1 YouTube partner, we turn your creativity into cash flow. From YouTube to TikTok to Facebook, we handle the stress while you watch your money grow. Creators working with us are already cashing out, some earning millions just by doing what they love. With channel monetization, brand deals, translation into different languages, and video protection from illegal use, we make sure you win. Don't just create for fun. Let your creation earn you lots of money. Join our Forever MCN today. Start by sending an email to marketing@forever.com or call +234 816 992 5722. You can also visit our website mbi247.com. Our Forever MCN, your home of content creators.
Cause whatever you do in this world has a price. Anything you do in this life has a price. If you do good, you will get the prize. If you do